And the nature gives birth to wisdom, and the wisdom gives birth to everything in the world. And as we can see, based on science and technology and exploration, we give full play to technology, internet, and computing. And the science can benefit everything in the world, while innovation can boost the development of so many industries. So here, as you can see, we pull all the global wisdom together and enable the development of science and technology. And now we would like to invite Zhang, CTO of Alibaba Cloud. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to share with you at this computing conference some of our thoughts on our technology. And 1 year ago, Jack Ma proposed 5 new developments, such as new retail. And for new retail, we have the Hema Xiansheng and also some new mode of cafes. And in terms of technology, we would like to share with you more about what is new technology is all about. So for Alibaba, as you can see, we grew up in the internet era and we are based in the internet era. So Alibaba has our own profound understanding of technology. As we all know, for the internet era, firstly, we changed the computer from a simple tool into a kind of platform. So this is the biggest value a computer can present it. It can not only store information but also connect all the information together. And like companies like Google, they can try to gather all the information scattered around together into a big web, into a big network. And secondly, it's about the development of the mobile internet. And this is the biggest contribution, for example, is some like the social media. However, for Alibaba, we did something different. For example, when we were doing the e-commerce, in addition to providing a kind of place where people can shop, we try to link brands with consumers. We try to link the sellers with the buyers. So this is fundamentally different from other e-commerce service providers. Because of this kind of link, because of this kind of connection, we can offer a lot of new possibilities instead of just simply improving the retail efficiency. So we have created a very unique path of development. As we all know, PC, actually the market is keep shrinking, so you can hardly find room for development if you just sell single PCs. For mobile internet and for the mobile phones in China, every year the sales volume is about 400 million every year, and it is steady. So nowadays we have some so-called super apps that occupy the major screen of the mobile phones. And what will the new opportunities arise? Well, we think that there are still so many objects waiting to be connected, waiting to be linked. So IoT and other kind of smart, intelligent network may be the next trend. And we have did a lot of experiments. For example, like the urban brain, we try to connect all kinds of city utility objects through the IoT. And in addition to the connection and the linking, we gather and pull together all the resources. And in addition to this kind of linking, we also add the new functions of sensing and processing. So sensing, processing, plus linking is what we consider as the so-called IoT. And also we are considering the prospect of the new generation of the people-to-machine interaction, such as the driverless car. And for the driverless car, actually, the interaction between the people and the car is very important. Is it that necessary to have a steering wheel? Maybe not so necessarily. Is it necessary to hold a remote control to control the air conditioning? No, not that necessary. So for the Apple iPhone, as we can see, it evolved from the traditional way of mobile phone into a touchscreen mobile phone. And this is a kind of upgrade. And what we are considering is to upgrade your family household appliances totally. And Jack Ma said, we are doing a kind of machine learning. And what's the difference of the machine intelligence and artificial intelligence? In my understanding, many objects nowadays we see, actually just we copy from our predecessors. For example, nowadays instead of controlled by other machines, we control by themselves. For example, one of the most popular topic is visual recognition. We already have so many cameras placed everywhere, and now there are so many images, too many for the people to recognize. So we need the machine to recognize the images. And nowadays, well, if, for example, if the machine are to recognize these images, why the cameras need to take these pictures at such a high precision, such as 4K, 8K, or even higher? Maybe the machines will have another angle of recognition. So as for AI, well, for example, about the smelling, I must say that dogs and pigs, their smelling organs, their noses are much better than human noses. So nowadays we need to make the machines to be more intelligent and more independently intelligent. And for example, when we are playing the game of Go, maybe, the machine can just approach the capability or exceed the capability of human beings. But for the image recognition, picture recognition, and deep learning, we have already so many existing equipment devices. So maybe we were caught in a kind of stereotype way of thinking. Why not we think according to what the machines are thinking? So maybe this will inevitably lead to a lot of new data. And the world is becoming more and more digitalized. Only by becoming digitalized can the world become more automatic and intelligent. So how can we understand the data in a better way? 9 years ago, Alibaba advocated that data is a kind of energy, and Alibaba is involved in the data processing But we now would like to say that data is more than energy. Data is blood. Without the blood of data, nothing can survive, and everything do not have enough power. So data, I would say, is a kind of blood constituting everything in the future. The importance of data determines, for example, what and from which angle we will view the world in future. And Hangzhou, I would say, is taking the lead. For example, Hangzhou established a kind of bureau called Statistics and Data Bureau early. And the data needs to be real time. And for example, years ago, when we were doing a kind of advertising promotion in the China Central TV station, maybe only after 3 months later can we know the effect of such advertising. But nowadays, with this kind of digital advertising, we can know the effect of advertising every minute in real time. So real time is very important. And secondly, the data needs to be processed and in a kind of platform-based way. So for Alibaba, all our data is stored together and is input and then sorted, and then will be processed, used, utilized by different departments. So why the data needs to be utilized and unified. For example, now we have so many bikes for sharing, and nowadays, we have so many bikes for sharing, such as a small yellow bike, OFO, and by connecting all the OFO bikes, we can know where each OFO yellow bikes is located, and we also know, for example, from which place to another place the riders are most frequently to use OFO bikes. And if this kind of data can be utilized by the public bus transportation companies, then maybe they can try to optimize their bus routes. So data needs to be based on platforms and needs to be integrated and shared, and then can generate more power. So data needs to be more real-time and more real-time.
So what is the Internet thinking? As for Alibaba, we believe, first of all, for Internet thinking is the data thinking. You must have data so that you can make reasonable decisions. For the difference between the traditional company and the Internet company, for the traditional companies, when they make a decision, it will take a long time before they know whether the decision is correct or not. But for the Internet company, they can know whether the button should be red or blue. And they will know that when they make changes, what will be the consequence of the changes. So they are more, they are there to make decisions. In Alibaba, when we have meetings, I often say, when you have data, you give me data. If you don't have data, you give me case examples. And you don't have case examples, you give viewpoints. If not, then you remain silent, because so if you have data, you can be you can have the same level of power as the CEO. I believe this is a very important Internet thinking. That is the data thinking. So today we are to have so many tasks and data. Internet of Things, the big data, and we have many problems to solve, including the computing power, platform, algorithm, the visualization, security, and also the chips, the operational system, etc. Because for a company like Alibaba, it is not impossible to buy the commercial product from the market to support our future technical need. That's why we must develop our own, have our own R&D. What is the science? science is used to discover rules and master rules, and the technology is to make use of these rules. And what is engineering? Engineering is to make those possible. For Alibaba, with the Bachelor Day Festival, we have a very, very strong technical and engineering capability. And for the technical support of the Bachelor Day, there's a super project. We have many super projects, like a big building, a skyscraper, or a bridge, cross ocean bridge. And for Bachelor Day project, this is equally powerful. And we will go one step further from today on. And we will try to master rules and try to discover rules so that we can have more competitive power in the future. So today we are to do many more things. Just like the moderator said, we are to establish the Worldwide Research Institute of Alibaba, because we need the worldwide talents to join us to change the world. For our research institute, we have a very unique name, that is the Damo. That is the Damo Research Institute. And our plan is to make an investment of 100 billion RMB in 3 years, so that we can have some original, authentic discovery. This is the vision we have. So for the 100 billion RMB, we are to attract the top talents from worldwide, because we believe talents is productivity. In Damo, you are not you do not come here to become monks, and you are to you are to have the L'Oreal of the research institute. And we also have one important philosophy for this entire set of technology. We are not to serve our company. With the Alibaba Cloud platform, we hope we can empower all the entrepreneurs. 8 years ago, we started that plan, and we started the cloud computing, because we believe this will definitely happen in the future. We are not like other companies. They are doing the cloud computing because this is popular, and because they have the need for the upgrade of the company. We are doing this to empower the entrepreneurs and the startup companies. We strongly believe that for all the infrastructure will become free in the future, and our productivity is the data, and with our comprehension of the data, we can make a real change and create value for some industries. I believe this is the value of the cloud computing and the ultimate goal of cloud computing. For Damo Research Institute, we have 3 parts. The first part, we will set up the worldwide laboratories that is invested by Alibaba Group. And secondly, we will have some joint labs. Currently, we have the joint labs with Zhang University. We have over 100 professors and PhDs working in Alibaba lab. The reason we attract them is because we have a lot of scenarios so that they can quickly spot the problems, and we use very unique methods. For others, when they have projects, they will go through the bidding process. But we adopt a different route. We believe today, when you find problems, it is equally difficult as solving problems, because if I am responsible for finding the problems, that is a great challenge or burden on us. So we are inviting them to find problems together with us, so they can use their perspective to spot the problems, and we can find a solution all together. So today we work with Berkeley, we work with Zhang University and Tsinghua University, and we have set up joint labs and to find problems and solve problems. And the third part is our R&D plan. So for this, in Israel, in Singapore, in Moscow, in Seattle and in Fermatel, we have set up our research institutes. And just now I mentioned the computing data, the big data. We are to make some frontier studies, and hopefully we can also transfer these research results into something that we can apply, and so that everybody can make use of such resources on this cloud platform. And the last part is the platform for study and research and commercialization. We will make all these problems into some tables or list, and we will send this list to the colleges, and they will match. They will find the projects that they are interested in and write proposal to us. And currently we have over 200 teams who have set up their cooperation, and we have kicked off over 40 projects for most of the professors are from overseas. We also have the professors and colleges from China as well. And so this is the research, study, and commercialization platform. So for Damo, we will have our own lab, we will have our joint labs, and through these projects, more professors and research institutes can join us. So this is the vision of Damo. And ultimately, we hope that technology can serve as an innovative power, and we can innovate for a better world. So today, we officially announce we will establish the Damo Research Institute of Alibaba. That's it. Thank you. Thank you, our CTO. Please stay on the stage. First of all, I will congratulate Alibaba on establishing the Damo Research Institute. I believe this is a great thing that will benefit many. Just now you mentioned that for Research Institute we need the brains. So can you tell us, so who will join the Damo? Who are the VIPs that will join the Damo? We will have our academic committee, and we have invited 10 scientists who will join the academic committee. And today, some of the 10 scientists, 10 members are here, and they are to. So please look at the big screen for their names. So they are the 10 members of the academic committee of Damo, and today we have invited 2 out of the 10 members. Let's give a warm round of applause to Professor Zhu and Professor May.
Very much. If you don't mind, that I checked your background and I found that your students once called you Dragon Lady.
Right.
Not because you are their tutor, but also because you are a master of martial art. You know that you are a very good sword player. Is that correct?
I am also a 4th degree black belt in Tang Soo Do.
Wow. So Damo Academy is the place for you to go, right?
Right, exactly.
We're very honored to have you being with us. And would you like to share a little bit about your expectation of the Academy?
Well, first of all, I would like to congratulate Alibaba for taking this very bold move and creating a research lab. To do research takes a lot of commitment and a lot of patience. And it's very, very ambitious of Jack Ma and Alibaba to create such a new research lab, especially for a Chinese-based company. I think a lot can be done in China, and with China's lead and interest in AI and big data and cloud computing, the future is really ahead of Alibaba and the research lab. So congratulations.
Thank you very much for coming. And 梅洪院士，我们也非常想听。
Professor Mei Hong, I would like to hear from you. What is your expectation for Damo? I'm very glad that I can have this opportunity to witness the launching of a Damo Institute of Alibaba. I would also like to take this opportunity to voice my expectation. And I mentioned that I would like to give one line to Damo, that they will have a very lofty ambition and they will go step by step. Damo will be the future of Alibaba and to serve the society. And I believe Damo will also be a platform for the commercialization of academic research worldwide. We expect that Damo will grow fast. I hope that Damo will have a high point of departure, high goal, and high speed. And Damo will also be very down to earth and be pragmatic in the research study. And for Damo, this is a place for the top martial art, and in China there are very different schools of martial art. So I hope that Damo will be more open in the future to welcome talents from different schools. Yes. Thank you, Professor Mei. And thank you for joining Damo. I believe this will make our CTO more confident. And today we have another heavyweight speaker that is a world-known scientist and a Turing Prize winner, Professor Yao Qingzhi.
Hello, Professor Yao. Please, this way. And we thank you very much for coming to the computing conference, and I would like to hear your expectation on Damo. And I feel that Alibaba is a great company, and Jack Ma is very capable of creating miracles and making wonders. And this kind of forward-looking research institute is quite a challenging global network. However, I'm sure that with the instruction and guide from Jack Ma and Alibaba Damo Research Institute will definitely become a world-level research institute. Thank you very much for your expectation and encouragement. And today, on this special day of the foundation of this Damo Research Institute, and please, let's and here you can see we have a special scroll. We have a special scroll for this event. And for this Damo Research Institute, it will pull together the global talents and resources and to benefit the human beings. So thank you very much for your participation. Please take your please take your jade seal and affix on this scroll. And okay, let's have a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. So thank you again very much for your presence. And here we have the Damo Academy. And it's going to launch into the future. And let's take a group picture together. So let's take a group photo together. Thank you again. Thank you again, and I'm sure that there are more and more new continents of science and technology for us to explore and discover. And we already started our journey.